Because I know, especially those of you who grew up and were born here, you do not know how to pronounce African names. You should learn it. Because in Africa, we do not just name our children. Our names have a meaning. We have beautiful names with meanings, which is why here in England, when they fail to pronounce my name, I also fail to pronounce theirs. I call them on. Everything has a click. Because I'm so tired, because guys, our names have a meaning. Even some African names that are in English have a deeper African meaning. For example, I come from a very strong political background. My father was in Robben Island for 7 years as a political prisoner. And when he came back home after 7 years in prison, my mother was 8 months pregnant. So my twin sisters were named Forgive and Forget. Respect our names, respect our names.